Morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm out for a shoot again, but I won't be behind the camera this time around.
You're gonna just run and hold it.
No.
No.
I'm just using it for the vlogs.
He has a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
The track, if you use the edge, they are even faster,
right?
The track is
So
really
much more. Bam, 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 bam.
The rocker, you just push
Yeah,
it. Right?
push
I
it.
used them yesterday. But you do a 10K here. It's
Yep.
like 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Wow.
They are amazing shoes. Like them? You see?
Oh, super light.
It's crazy. It's,
Try it. Wait.
there is no shoes there, and when you sweat, they don't get heavy and wet.
Yeah.
So it's crazy. And the Magic are perfect for the daily training.
I'll get one soon. This is my first running shoot.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
No, this is the go-to. You can do anything with it.
Yeah.
Just if you want to.
Edge over sky or sky over edge?
That was a good training and good shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice, huh?
Yeah, let's go, baby. Rodeo Plus, gang.
Rodeo Plus, gang. Spirit of the rodeo. You run, I run. You smoke, I smoke. There you go.
The most dangerous words are you go, I go.
You go, I go. Anyway, I was so tired I couldn't even vlog. We did 4 times 800 meters at 4 minute and 30-second pace, which was pretty crazy at the third round. So yeah, but the training is done, the shoot is done. Hopefully when I upload this vlog I can get the final footage and yeah, put it in this video. But I think I will get the raw footages today, and yeah, let's see what I can come up with and put up something for you guys as well. Let's see. So honestly, I thought that was gonna be an easy workout, but not really. Yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm just gonna go home. I think I didn't have enough sleep last night as well. Gonna go home, take a really long nap, and then yeah, hopefully recover for game later on. Beautiful. I love this view. Look at that.
Doesn't love a beautiful watch. If you want to learn how people can afford watches like
Oops. It's pretty hot. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this and go for a really long nap.
I think it dates back all the way to 1738. I do think it has undergone several restorations since then because there's been so many earthquakes here, so many floods. Obviously, it's another one. I think it was even also.
Meal number 2. So this is shan khao sui from Myanmar. Amazing. And yeah, I'm just having with some what's that? Chicken breast. Literally just woke up and I'm super hungry. Good weather. I didn't make it for the game, so I'm doing another 5k run instead. Fly towards me. Yeah. He wants to run away. He wants a free life. Freedom! Give me freedom! So I've been eating so much that I need to prep again. The other day I just made this huge meal prep and it's gone. Some of these. Alright, I'm gonna end off the vlog here, just to put out something out there. I think, you know, all these times I've been doing too many things, and this is something that I've been thinking a lot recently. And yeah, just to, you know, point it out to you guys, I'm running a marketing agency. I still go back to the brewery from time to time for part-time, and I'm still doing some consultancy for brewing because I'm the only Burmese guy, you know, only Burmese guys who is fluent with brewing and yeah, with people. So a lot of people will contact me, and yeah, I mean, I tend to help everyone. So that's one thing. So 3 in total. I am doing this, like the shoot that I did today in this video is actually for Rodeo Club. It's gonna be a run club. It's gonna be a lot of things, right? That's one thing. That's 4. And I'm also part of this initiative production helping Burmese people. That's 5, right? On top of that, I still have this you know, to train for my runs, to play football and gym and all that stuff. It's getting a little bit too much. I don't know if I can handle all of this. If I can, it's very good, but sometimes it gets a little tiring. But yeah, I don't know, and I still don't know which one to drop. Okay, the last but not least is this one, YouTube, right? I've been neglecting it so much. I haven't posted regularly, and I haven't been posting for a while now. So yeah, I don't know which one to drop. I did talk to a lot of my friends, and they say drop YouTube. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. I'll think about it, and then I'll update here on YouTube. Anyway, that is it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.